Hello and welcome to yet another brilliant and exciting episode of your favorite show. This is Asambege with Nelly Somakanya, and today we bring you yet another guest that we are putting up to a challenge right here on Asambege. And we are bringing you somebody that is not new to your screens. We are bringing you one of our superstars right here in the land of Eswatini by the name of Samgelo. I'm sure most of you have seen him on your screens on popular series like Bagangwane. He's quite a guy that has done meaningful strides in the industry. We want to put him up to a challenge namuhla and get him out of his comfort zone so that we can see in our challenge. You know by now that we do our rating from 0 to 10, 0 being the worst, and of course 10 being the highest. So now I'm going to meet up with him, talk to him a bit, and we get him on to his challenge for the day. My brother, how are you?
I'm fine, my brother. How are you?
I'm great. Thank you.
I'm good.
All right. I'm so happy to see you here today. Welcome on the Sambege.
Mm-hmm.
So I just want us to talk briefly about your journey in the acting industry. What have you done? What are the highlights in your career?
One of my greatest highlights is when we opened the theater years back with a couple of theater plays with it. The change. Then we went on to Buhle Buyeza. I think then the biggest milestone I've ever, or maybe the biggest thing I've ever done is Bagangwane.
All right.
Yeah, which tells about our history, which tells about us being who we are.
Okay. All right. All right, that's great. That's great. So now, speaking about Bagangwane, it's one of the popular, productions that we've had, in the motherland. So now, talking about maybe our future prospects, what is it that we can look up to? Because I know that the journey is always, good as we go ahead and ahead.
It's more films.
Okay.
It's more films, I think. From this point on forward, I think it will be more films. And maybe something good that's coming.
All right.
I am sure.
All
I'm sure of that. And I think more characters being portrayed, the thing in life, even because we are bringing even stage to the play to say, theater is the base of everything. We should start at its grassroots so that we can bring it up and have a beautiful art.
Okay.
Express art in a very beautiful way and in a very conscious way of our stories, of our songs. And moving forward, I think it's gonna be lights, cameras, and stage lighting on fire.
Wow, that's amazing. All right, so what is happening here today on Asambege? There's a challenge that we are going to give you. And when this challenge is all about getting you out of your comfort zone, we want you to do something that you are not used to doing. Okay. So after you do the challenge, we are going to rate you. Actually, the mentor that we're going to give to you is going to rate you from 0 to 10. 0 being the worst and 10 being the best. So without even you knowing about the challenge, let me ask you, how well do you think you do? How well do you do with challenges that get you out of your comfort zone?
Well, I'm an adventurous person.
Uh-huh.
I think I figured it out.
Okay.
I figured it out.
Not a problem. All right, not a problem. So this is the challenge that we have for you today.
Okay.
So I'm going to give you to open it, and then maybe you'll get an idea. We'll say how well are you going to perform. Are you ready?
Okay, drum roll, please.
All right. So let me just give you, because I also have my copy of your. Let me just give you. This is your copy.
Okay.
You can check it out. All right, so
nail tag.
So you can just show our viewers. Let's just show them. It's the same one. We got the same one. It's the same one. We got the same one. So today it will be a nail tag. So there'll be a mentor taking you through where we are taking you to be a nail tag. So I hope you're really going to do well.
Yeah.
So what do you think? So. What do you think about the rating again? Let's go back to the rating without Holabani. That's my show.
Well, let's do a 7.
A 7. All right, let's just get right onto it.
They take.
That's a good one. All right, Gebafo, we have just arrived on location. Lako, now you are going to meet your mentor, who is going to take you through each challenge yako ya namuhla. I hope you're still ready. Yeah, so we are going to hear from her. I'll just hand you over to her, and then akone say akombe the ropes, and she will be the one who's going to rate you, by the way. Yeah, I hope you're ready though.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. No, let's hear from our mentor. Hi, how are you? No, we're good. All right, so this is Millicent, who will be your mentor for today. These are the whole work about your nail tech experience that you have to do here. And Millicent, and what's going to happen is from 0 to 10. 0 being the worst, 10 being the best. No, anything in between that. Anything in between that. Yeah, so I'll just hand him over to you so that you continue from here. All right, thank you.
Hey, welcome to Millie Beauty Studio. Ngiyoke indzawo le ngisebentela kiyo lena. I will start by showing you ama-tools lasebentako whenever wenda tingalo.
All right.
Yes, sinemathulusi ke lakasebenta nje each and every time. Na wenda ema-nails, wenda unails. Utoqala ke bona nakula bathi ngema-inspo pictures, customer mele likukhombise dithombe taleti ngalo la katifuna. Yes. And then first inanje thulusi lesimsebenzisa is the filer, the nail filer. Lokhu ke kuyatishikisha ke leti ngalo kutenda tibe rough. Yes. Ususa nje the shining part. Angisho tingalo tina the shining layer le nahlala sinayo. Sisusa yona ke with this nail file. And then we have the nail buffer. The nail buffer is sebenda after the filer.
Okay.
Yes. Utawufunza ke kufaka ema-tips. Nangikhuluma ngama-tips the artificial nails.
Oh yeah.
Yes. Nawo ke lama-tips aqhamuka in numbers. From number 9 to number 0.
According to the size.
Yes, according to the size. Angilothi nestyle ukuthi 9 mkhulu kuna 0. La etingalweni 9 mncane.
Oyi reverse.
Yes.
Sethi sisuka ngala
ku 0 siyale but 0 mkhulu. Yes. For example nje nang 0. Nang 9. Yabo. Dawusebenzisa ke lawo ma-tips lawo according to the sizes yale sandla salomuntu.
Ngeke litiphu lifaka nje.
The tip lifakwa nge-glue. The Nail Planet glue. We have so many different kinds of Emma glue, but me specifically I use the Nail Planet one. Yes. Utawufunza ke in placing the tips. Nalokuthi space lesisala ko lapha sisala kanjani, uwakala kanjani futhi ema-tips. Kunana into nayo ukhanze ukuthi li tip selilikhulu seliya overlap. I don't encourage that. Ungamane usebenzise the smallest one ngeleli khona ngeleli tawufitha lapha.
The tip.
Ngawuqala ke ngikudemonstrate ngesandla sakho.
All right.
Yes. Guthi nje how do you even handle the sandla selina custom? Uyasibamba kahle so. Usually ke with the pink kuba ngilabo 9 nabo 8 nabo 7 nabo 6. Because ngeke vele sithupha sithatheke from bo number 6. Sitawuqala
Oh,
with
so
this one.
even the nails are different numbers.
Yes.
Oh.
Lengupromota ko ke mina ukuthi now liqala so uliqala just once. Uyalifaka so that kungatophithi lingatokulahlekela futhi because leli vele sewuliqalile. Yes. Uyalibeka kahle. Now libeka I need the space la. Libeka so.
Oh, banana space.
Yes, kuba nale space for filing. Kuthi kungabonakala ukuthi lana sijomelele.
Oh.
Yes.
So then
Uyalifaka nje so uyashiya the small space. And then you file. I'm going to show you ukuthi ufile kanjani. Ifile uyibamba in different directions.
all right.
Uyayisebenzisa uyibambe so. Uyayisebenzisa uyibambe so.
Sibamba kanjani lo ecala?
Kubambele ngenhla. Yendeka uyihambise so.
All right.
Phinze kuyendeka uyihambise so.
All right.
Bisala. Yabo le file uyibambe kahle. Angifunda ukuthi ayihambe.
Oh, more faster.
Exactly.
Okay.
Ngale phinze ingene ngale eceleni. Lana sebenza ngokuthi this is your first customer kuna 4 lohleli lapha. Uyabo?
You have to be fast
Exactly.
anyway. Nail tech.
Let brush la. Yes. Red blue. Uyamthinzitha uqhubekela ngale sinye isandla.
Okay.
I-dust nasenda tingalo ayidingeki. Yonke into nje lo yendako uyathinzitha kuqala.
Or before you do anything else.
Qhubekela kulele sinye isandla. Hayi khona la. Soyibambele filing yabona.
Singiyamfola wani. Okay.
Uyasonzeta iglue yakho. Uyasonzeta nema-tips ngala.
Tips.
Lokhu kuyenteka ukuthi kuwe lokhu kusaphake lokho. Kwasaphake udophinze wena ukukhethe ukubeke so. To avoid that ukuvulela la ngaphasi la.
Okay.
Yes. Uyaqala uyaqala.
Kala ngale lincane.
Nali number 9 nje nali lincane nali. Yabo ukuthi lincane kanjani?
The space.
Ngiyabona naso sibambe kanjalo ukuthi ubalula kanjani.
Yeah.
Fake glue. Sala ke. Ngokwendela the first one. Yabo.
Okay.
Dalibamba so. Ulifake iglue. Yabo.
And then this
Bese uyaluguqula from here.
to there. Okay. Then the next one is a different number.
Yes. Uqala from number 8 na number 7. no naleli nje lithi ledi so utikala ngaleli jo nyuka ngeke juba nalo ukale kanjalo yabo juba kancane nje lapha juba nje kancane ulimise straight ikalo konkhana ujuba ngiyabona uyaqhubeka ukala ngalona leli so yabo manike bisa i-hand file lele ngikwenta ngale i-plane setting yabuya manje so wenda-ke leso ngele sikwele naso ucedzile kulinganisa so wenda lesifukele sikwele ufayela nje kancane la ngembili ukuthi kwenteke sikwele so Ndayifaka gang-2 ngele. Khumbule, each and every color ingena gang-2. Ndawufaka ke. Lana ke kumele ungambhoqi. Uyambamba kahle. Uyayithatha ijeli yakho. Nayithatha uyayigiya ngala. Yabo, nawu lithi nje brush. Uyigiya ngala. Ndawusebenzisa lele ngala. Uyalibeka brush from the center. Uyale kunkhani uyogcwalisa eceleni kwalama categories. Ngathi bambi tonke tingalo. Bamba lolo lendako. Taze tajeka leto letimthubo. Na usapenda solo ngiyakubuka nje uba away kakhulu from the categories lana nje kune space lesisele but I second court yalokuthi ingene kulama spaces lebe kungakangeni khona kuqala nala maceleni uyaligucula licustomer so utobuka la maceleni yabo but for now emaceleni akahle ngila ma categories. Okay, i-category oil ide kahle kahle i-effect ukuthi vele seyenta something etingalweni. Angisho lana besimhwaya lo muntu simenta lokho nalokho. Sisusa nje lokuthi aphume angakawali lakithi. Uyabo? Utayivula nje kahle. Ngifaka so on the categories njengoba ngishilo ukuthi i-category oil. Ufakwa on the categories. And sesicedzile-ke kwenta the nail set. Ngibonile mani uzama lapha nalapha and ngijabulile the way lo wente ngayo the filing, the way you were applying the gel. Ndakurate-ke ngicabanga ukuthi I will just give you a 6/10. Yes, a 6/10.
That's really
I didn't like ngalendlela lobo ufaka ngayo ijeli tikwama categories. I did mention ukuthi you should stay away from the categories, but kancane. Yes. Coming to the nail shaping. Letinye tingalo takho betijekile. Yet betiskwele, but dine cave nje ngizange sesibone isikwele lesikhavile. I loved the way letiphume ngakhona. It was good for first try. Yeah, it was perfect for first try. Yeah,
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It's been a wonderful day right here, Millicent, whereby we were having our brother here, Samdelo, being mentored on how to be a proper nail tech. We know the experience. Longman na nje manje lana usiso velu ratiwe. Takhumbula ke mbukelo Asambeke ukuthi when we started our show, he said he's going to get a 7 out of 10. I'm not sure whether we still stand on that rating, but how did you do, my brother?
It was a 6 out of 10.
You got a 6 out of 10.
Yeah,
oh, that's really
almost.
good.
Yeah,
That's really
almost
good.
there. Yeah,
But
almost
otherwise,
there.
how was the experience altogether?
But the experience was fun. I think paying detail to a lot of things, and the time you have to invest in this, and I think now I can understand why they can go.
Why the ladies disappear the whole day
The whole
saying they're
day,
doing their nails?
Doing their nails. Yeah, could have taken me 24 hours, but yeah, I made it 26 hours.
I see. You know, that's really amazing. You know, so what can you say, just about appreciating? What can you say just about who appreciates as opposed to what you're used to doing as an actor?
I believe in each and everything that we do, we are trying to shape some sort of future for ourselves. And having small businesses, having someone to do something like Millicent doing a business on nails, I think it's a beautiful thing, number one. Number two, it's a necessary thing. And it's up to the community then to support those structures. It's up to each and every one of us out there to support each other, because the arts cannot exist without the makeup artists, without the nail polishers. You know, sometimes on screen we need slay queens too.
Of course.
So now I'm gonna do the job.
All right. I see. As you were talking about how this thing is helpful to a lot of people, I'm sure we can also mention the other people that want to learn, like you, can actually come at Millicent's place just so that she can show them around. She actually does that. She helps people to learn. She's a good teacher.
Yeah.
All right. So in case you want to know where to find Millie's Beauty Studio, It is right here at the Commercial Center in Mbabane. That is where you can come, have an appointment so that your nails can also be done. And also, it's not only that, as my brother has already said here, it's also about the learning part of it. She can teach you for 6 days. You can be taught how to be a nail tech yourself. So make sure that you also follow her on her social media platforms. She's Millicent Johnson. You can also follow Eswatini TV on Facebook. You can follow me on Facebook. You can follow us on our YouTube channel where we have our full episodes for our show. Until we meet next week when we bring you another guest with another exciting challenge. This is Nelly Somakanya signing out. Goodbye.